School Freeware's Word 2007 Tutorials. Tutorial 5. Getting Help and Using the Interactive Word 2003 to Word 2007 Command Reference Guide. There are a lot of features with Word 2007 and it can be overwhelming, especially when you can't figure out how to do something. Word's help system provides answers to difficult situations. This tutorial will show you how to use the help system, and also I would like to show the interactive Word 2003 to Word 2007 Command Reference Guide that makes finding Word 2007 commands easy for users who already know Word 2003's menu system very well. Alright, enough talk, let's get started. In the upper right hand corner you'll see this teeny tiny little question mark. The question mark is the help button. You can also get to help by pressing F1 on the keyboard. Using help with Word is basically the same way as you would use a web browser. Here we have the hyperlinked for different categories. The links in purple already have been visited, and the links just in blue have not been visited. To the top we have a toolbar, which is just like the toolbar in your web browser. There's back, forward, stop, refresh, home, print. Change the font size, I currently have it to the largest. Table of contents is basically just the same thing that you see here, only it's just set in a tabbed form over on the side. Finally, we have the pin, in which you can use to pin this window to the top, and therefore this particular window will always be at the top, and it can be very convenient when trying to find certain ways of doing things, which I will show you in a moment. Over to the far right we have the toolbar options, and there isn't a whole lot to this thing. All it does is you can add or remove buttons from the toolbar. So there really isn't any reason to be over here unless you don't have all your buttons or somebody deleted some of them. Over here we have the search, and I'll go ahead and we'll try the readability statistics, which is very important for both teachers and students. Statistics, and I'll go ahead and search. Alright, let's see what we got here. Test your document's readability. And here we have Word and Outlook. Let's go to Word, and to turn them on it says click the Microsoft Office button, then click Word options. Okay, and then what? Let's see here, go back to help, then it says click proofing. Okay, go to proofing, then it disappears. This can become obnoxious if you have a long list of things that you have to do as far as the directions are concerned. So what we can do, so I click on help, is I'll use this pen and I'll pin it to the top, and I'll also resize the window a little bit here. Okay, so we'll put the window over to the side, and now when I go ahead like proofing and it says here make sure that the check grammar and spelling is selected. Okay, yes it is. And then it says make sure that the readability statistics are checked, and you'll see that no matter what happens, the help is always on top. So therefore I can very easily go through it, and I'll just cancel this to show you how easy it is. It says click on Microsoft Office button. Alright, go to Word options, click on proofing, make sure that check grammar and spelling is checked, check readability statistics. Let's see what it is. Okay, that's the end of it, so I'll just click OK, and voila, it is on. So now all I have to do is check for the readability statistics, and I need to put in some text, so I'll just go ahead and copy some from this website, paste it in, and then when I go ahead and run the spelling, I have the readability statistics that pop up, and it says that the grade level for this particular paragraph is grade level 13.3. Click OK, and there we have a quick example on how to use the search. I'll go back into help. Now I just want to point out here, if you click on this down arrow, you can change the content of help. So for example, if you don't have a fast internet connection, you may want to use Word help connected from this computer instead of using the Office Online help system here. So this is as simple as checking the box. And down here this shows whether you're online or offline. That's basically it. I'll turn it back to all Word for online help. And now I would like to show you the interactive Word 2003 to Word 2007 command reference guide. You could come up with a smaller name for that, I suppose. So I'll just put in Word 2003 2007 and it should pop up right there. Yeah, there it is, interactive guide. Okay, go here and I'll just scroll down to start the guide. Alright, start. And what this does, if I know the 2003 menu system of Word very well, I can go ahead and find the equivalent commands in Word 2007. For example, if I want to know how to insert a picture, I can go to Insert, Picture, and I'll do from File. Okay, and then I'll go to Word 2007. It says Insert tab, and then there's Picture highlighted. Okay, so let's click anywhere to choose another command. Alright, let's see how to insert a table. So I'll click on Table, Insert Table. Alright, there it goes, Insert Table, and here it is. Okay, one more. Let's try spell checking. So here on the tools, click on spell checker, goes to review, and then check spelling and grammar over here. So you can use this if you know the command in 2003 where it is. You can quickly get onto the command reference guide and immediately figure out where the command is located in Word 2007.